Hello guys, welcome to the cutting and sewing tutorial of this asymmetric A-line dress.
Okay, so I've pinned my pattern on my fabric. This is the back. I'm going to be cutting right now. Having half inch on the zipper area, half inch on the armhole, half inch on the shoulder seam, then 1 inch on the sides. So I'm just going to cut right now. So I'll just notch the wrist. This is the back. Let's cut the front. Because the front is asymmetric, I'll be cutting with the right side up, facing up. Okay, I'll be cutting with the right side facing upwards like this. Right side up, right side up on the fabric. Okay, so this part is also Ankara fabric. So I'll both place it and cut. The Ankara fabric too. I'll be cutting my sleeve. Half inch on this side, the sleeve cap area. 1 inch on the sides, the underarm of my sleeve. I'm not going to be sewing the end line, so I'll just cut it out. Okay, so this is my sleeve. Then for the other part of the front, this is the satin I'll be using, and this is the piece. Then I'll place it on the Chantilly to cut. Remember, right sides up. And that is all. Let me show you all my pattern pieces on the fabric. This is the front. This is the back. This is part of the front, the upper part of the front. And this is the other piece that has the Chantilly. And this is my sleeve. So these are all my pattern pieces. I'll also cut out the facing for the neckline for the front and the back.
Hello guys, welcome to the sewing tutorial of our beautiful A-line dress, asymmetric A-line dress. So the first thing I'll be doing is to work on the facing. I'm going to be joining the facing to the front and the back of the dress. So I'll do that and show you. This is the facing and this is the main back. So I'm going to join the facing and bring it to show you. I have joined the facing for the front and the back. This is the back. And I've done my understitching. I've understitched it to keep it in place. That's the back and this is the front. That's the front facing. And I've gone ahead to join this piece, the Chantilly to the down and to the upper parts of the dress. This is what it looks like right now. So the next thing I'll be doing is join the shoulder seam. I'll join the shoulder seam now. For the front and the back. So just take my facing to facing and the front and the back together. Then join. I have joined the dress along the shoulder seam, having the front and the back together. So the next thing I'll be doing is to attach my sleeve. I'll just fix the sleeve around the armhole, then join the sides for the front and for the back. It's not enough. So I have joined the sides for the front and the back. I've joined the sleeve. The dress is almost ready. So I'll be finishing the hemline with this crinoline. I'll be using the crinoline to finish the hemline. Then use hemming tape, my hemming gum I'm not going to be sewing on the crinoline. After joining, I'll just use my hemming gum to finish it, then fix my zip. Yeah, the dress is almost ready. Then I'll fix my zip.
Okay guys, this is the final result of the dress we'll be making, the asymmetric dress. We used that manipulation to achieve this part. It came out so beautiful. I like how the hemline is looking. Remember, I used the crinoline to turn the hemline, and then I used my hemming gum to finish it neatly. So the hemline is looking okay. This is the back of the dress. This is how it looks. The back is longer. Center back is longer than the center front. As you can see, yeah, the center back is longer than the center front. What do you have to say about this dress? Is it something you would like to make for yourself? And if you're able to make this dress, you can send me the pictures so I can see how beautiful yours came out. Alright guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Yeah, bye.